Good. This is the current state of the FANCI demonstrator. In the menu here we have the use cases. The first use case is authentication. If you click here, the screen is locked and every person whose profile is registered can now just look inside the camera, waiting, and now he has identified me and shows a welcome screen. After some time it vanishes and we have a media player. We can now play music if you like. And stop it. Okay, this was the first use case, authentication. Then you have the use case changing playlist, mood-based. So it first plays a playlist, then he detects the user is tired, and then he switches immediately to another one. Okay. Change the playlist. Look at this. So with this use case, you just have to play a bit theater, go yawning, and then he will detect the change. The next one is dimming HMI, which means if you're driving in the dark, then you only need this display, this only if you look at it. So it's activated, and I look at it, it's light. If I look back for several times, then it's darken. Ich sehe es jetzt gerade nicht, passiert's? Wasn't activated. Now it's dark. If I look, it's lighting up. If I look back, then it's darkened after some time. And if I look back, it's lighting again. The next one is live mood detection. If I smile, you see the result everywhere. If I'm astonished or surprised, angry, yeah. So a bit training is necessary to make this the correct face moves for the detection, and it shows then this primary and the secondary emotion. We can also here change to the different identifications, live mode. If I go here, then it has identified me. So let's go to see if someone else can be identified. It won't change at the moment. Okay, Hussein is not part of it, so we can identify. Let me go back. And we can also then go to the live gesture tracking. We can do gestures here in front of the sensor. Move to the right, move to the left, thumb up, thumb down, high five, gesture down, wipe up, just to detect these gestures. And also for the gaze tracking, when I'm looking through the syllables, there's a hover effect, and if I go to skip the live sensor mode, now I've looked at sensor and do a thumb up, then it will do a click event and change to this module. For another person to create a profile, for gaze tracking, you just click here. And now someone else just join for gaze tracking.
Gaze tracking.
For the calibration. Stay in front.
You have to demonstrate.
Stay in front so that both symbols are visible, also here. And if they're fine, I'll press the space button here, and then you have to focus this point, which will appear on 6 different states. Now on the second screen, okay, done. Press space to exit. And now the system is calibrated for your eyes. And now if you move over the buttons, you should see a hover effect where you look at. And if you do a thumb up now under the symbol, he registered the thumb up and did the action, so you don't have to touch the event, just look at it, do a gesture, and everything is fine.